So I started off at the gates because I wanted to taxi a little bit, get used to taxiing, and I do not need the full runway. So I'm going to go on to the runway here. It's a lot further down. I'm going to be taking off on runway 23. So I'm going to take off here. Runway 23. And I already talked to all the towers and got all the takeoff squared away. So I don't need to talk to them anymore. There we go. And we're off. It's a little bit close on the takeoff. My trim was a little bit off. But here we go. I'll go starting my turn, reduce my speed a little bit. You can look into the turn. I'm going to just be flying a downwind on runway 5 right here. Oh, stalling, I guess. Probably kick it up to full so don't crash into a mountain. Didn't mean to do that. So there's the runway. This is a downwind of the runway. You can see from above here. Oh. So that's the Placerville Airport, well, over there. Climb a little bit, you can let me maybe see it better. There it is. So I'll just do the downwind leg right here, and then I'll turn base and then do my final. There's a good shot of the runway down there. Oops. Alright, I'm still going to continue this. So you want to do your downwind and for a little bit, then when you get to see the runway at a 45 degrees outside the plane, that's when you start your base turn, and then you go into your final. So yeah, I'll just wait a few, like maybe another minute or two. Now I'll start to reduce my speed a little bit. And I'll go into the turn. Maintain my base turn here, and a little bit crooked, and now I'm going to turn my final. Cut my power a lot further back, coming in for final approach. Been practicing for a while on this runway, and so I kind of know what the downwind for this side is. The one thing they didn't do is you can see that one tree sticking out, and if you could hit stuff, you would easily hit it. Says I'm coming in a little hot. Because my flaps need to come down. Looks like a Piper Cub coming in over there. What is he doing? There we go. Touchdown. I'll do a go around, but I won't show you the rest of the go around. So, thanks for watching, and maybe I'll film the landing. Hey YouTube, Kingman09, this is my second landing after that touch and go I just did. So, coming in still crooked, but it'll straighten out. I put my flaps down a little bit earlier this time. So, it looks like there's a de Havilland -8 coming over from the other side. So I better land quickly and get out of the way. I'm on a good glide slope. Still gonna keep up my throttle for landing. And oh man, the -8's coming over. I guess he had to do a go around or something, because I was on the runway. Oh well. So, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll have more videos soon.